Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless car vacuums. Essential cleaning tools designed to keep your car interior spotless, fresh, and free from dust, debris, and pet hair at all times. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt, food crumbs, or hard-to-reach corners, a reliable cordless vacuum can make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Modern cordless car vacuums come with powerful suction, rechargeable batteries, compact designs, and multiple attachments for better versatility. Many models also include HEPA filters, LED lights, and easy-to-empty dustbins for added convenience. Choosing the right cordless car vacuum can save time, improve cleaning efficiency, and keep your vehicle looking its best. Let's take a closer look at some of the best cordless car vacuums available right now. Starting with the Fantic V8 Mate cordless car vacuum. This model is a great option for users looking for ultra-portable performance with strong convenience, modern design, and efficient everyday cleaning capability. It typically features a lightweight cordless design, weighing around 1.2 pounds, making it extremely easy to handle, carry, and use with one hand for quick cleanups anytime. The high-speed brushless motor provides solid suction power for removing dust, sand, crumbs, and small debris from tight spaces, gaps, and different surfaces inside the car. Many versions include multiple attachments such as a crevice nozzle, brush tools, and flexible hose, allowing users to clean every corner of the vehicle effectively and without difficulty. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a glove box, center console, or car compartment for emergency use. Users appreciate its portability, fast performance, and simple usability during daily cleaning tasks. Additionally, it delivers consistent suction performance and reliable results across different surfaces. Next up is the Gentant cordless car vacuum, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, practical usability, and steady cleaning results across everyday situations. This model typically features a compact and ergonomic design combined with a rechargeable battery system that allows for fully cordless operation without any hassle or limitation. It often includes multiple nozzle attachments, making it suitable for cleaning seats, carpets, dashboards, and tight corners efficiently and comfortably. Many users appreciate its lightweight build and simple control system, which makes it easy to operate even for beginners without any learning curve. The ergonomic grip design helps reduce fatigue during longer cleaning sessions, improving overall comfort and control. Its battery performance is generally sufficient for regular car cleaning needs without frequent recharging. Additionally, it provides steady suction performance and consistent results across different cleaning tasks. Moving on to the Starks cordless car vacuum. This model is known for its strong suction capability, durable construction, and practical design for handling everyday messes inside vehicles with ease. It typically includes a powerful motor that can efficiently remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris from seats, floor mats, and carpets without losing performance. The cordless design allows for greater mobility and freedom, making it easier to clean without dealing with wires, limited reach, or power restrictions. Many versions include washable and reusable filters along with detachable dust containers, making maintenance simple, cost-effective, and user-friendly over time. Users often appreciate its combination of strong performance and ease of use for regular and repeated cleaning tasks. It works well for both light and moderate cleaning needs without slowing down. Additionally, it delivers reliable performance and consistent results across different surfaces. Stepping up in performance, the Housekeeping cordless car vacuum offers a great balance of power, durability, and advanced usability for more thorough and deep cleaning tasks. This model typically features strong suction performance combined with multiple attachments that help reach difficult areas such as between seats, under dashboards, and inside narrow spaces. It often includes a larger dust capacity compared to basic models, reducing the need for frequent emptying during longer cleaning sessions. Many versions also come with built-in LED lighting, which helps improve visibility when cleaning in dark areas or tight corners where dirt is harder to see. Users appreciate its solid performance and ability to handle both light dirt and heavier debris effectively without losing suction. Its durable construction ensures longer lifespan and better reliability over time. Additionally, it delivers efficient cleaning power and consistent operation. Taking the top spot is the Iofine cordless car vacuum, a highly advanced and reliable option designed for maximum performance, versatility, and long-lasting everyday use. This model typically features a powerful motor with strong suction capability, allowing it to handle everything from fine dust particles to heavier debris with impressive efficiency. It often includes multiple attachments and accessories that expand its functionality for different cleaning scenarios, including upholstery, carpets, air vents, and tight corners. The rechargeable battery system provides sufficient runtime for complete interior cleaning without interruption, making it highly practical for regular use. Users appreciate its strong performance, durable build quality, and consistent results during repeated cleaning sessions. It performs well across different conditions and surfaces without losing efficiency. Additionally, it delivers fast and effective cleaning performance with stable operation. All of these cordless car vacuums serve different needs depending on power, portability, features, and usage. The Fantic V8 Mate offers ultralight portability and quick cleaning convenience. The Gentamp vacuum provides balanced performance and ease of use for everyday tasks. The Starks vacuum delivers strong suction with practical design and durability. The Housekley vacuum offers improved power, larger capacity, and added features for deeper cleaning. And the Iofine vacuum stands out as the most powerful and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best cordless car vacuums, from compact portable cleaners to more advanced models designed for stronger and more efficient performance. Whether you're maintaining your car daily, preparing for long trips, or handling quick cleanups anytime, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tools and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your car clean, fresh, and comfortable with the right cordless vacuum.